Okay, what I got here, guys, this is the vents for the laundry room. That's the fire department. The key, I had to oil that down. We'll have to be having inspection soon. But right in here, this is the mail room. This is the laundry room. These are gas operated. And what's happened is this one right here has been out a while. And it turns out I have to clean these once a year. But this, so I gotta be careful because of all the pipe. This one right here, it sounds clear right there, but from there on, I'm gonna have to clear that out. Okay? So, I'm getting set up here. It's one of these two pipes, so I'll be cutting that away with probably my Spyderco. Let me get my, see, that's the main duct you saw outside. This is all the dryers right here. These are the big machines, but these two pipes right here. Okay, see, that's my wedge. That's 300 looms. Watch that. That's 1,000. Not bad, huh? So anyway, I'm gonna take this apart in a second. I'm gonna stop the video right now to get everything set, and then we'll cut this open. And I gotta refoil it. I'm gonna try and cut it open right here and see if I could do it that way. I might have to run an auger or a wet vac. Okay. Okay, safety glasses. It's definitely this one right here. So I think I'm gonna try and cut it right here. And this is a foil, AC foil tape, which is a metal tape. And I'm not sure how that's gonna fit right there. And instead of running this video long, I'll stop. I know this is probably making some of y'all cringe, me using a blade like this. But hey, it is what it is. Huh. I'm not sure what this is though. Okay. That's PVC coupling. It sure is. That's PVC coupling. So, I'm about to go to a big boy here. I'm gonna shut this off because I might cuss. Okay, I hope y'all can see this. I can't believe this. Okay, that's PVC coupling. That's okay. And if any of y'all ever dealt with foil tape, it'll cut the shit out of you. Okay, excuse my language. Holy crap. No wonder the dryer was overheating. Look at this. There's no way the lint could have gotten out. They put a flat valve on here. A PVC flat valve, which was closed. Oh, I'm documenting this, man, because I got to clean this out. Damn. Okay, let me stop the video. Shit. Okay, I brought a snake with me from home. My auger that I use for plumbing underneath the house. I was going to attach a little brush on the end. You can buy those, but they didn't have them at the store yesterday, so I was going to take a brand new toilet bowl brush. I was looking at I could attach it to my auger, which I could still do, but I'm going to try and vacuum it out right here and see how much I get out, and then run the dryer for a second. So y'all hold on one second. Let me turn that switch. I feel it. I got a longer vacuum hose that can go that way too. Okay, I'm gonna run the dryer for a second. Y'all stand by, hold on. Okay, see what was happening is, we're gonna go right here in this machine. Yeah, you can thank me later. I did those automatic lights. Okay, I'm gonna put quarters in this thing. $1.50. And we're gonna see if it blows out. It was overheating, and it would shut the thermostat off. I think that did it. No, one more. Read it, Steve. Okay, push. Now. Oh yeah. What a difference. All right, I'm gonna see how I'm gonna run this, and I'm gonna hook that up, fill outside at that vent, see if it's coming through. Okay guys, this is running. Of course it was running anyway, it was just, it was getting overheated. And I put that piece back together. I'm still shocked. I had an owner owner came in here to check the mail, and I showed her what it was. I can't believe they put a flapper piece. That's usually on a outside wall of a home. You know, it has a flapper so that varmints don't get in there. But that's really, to tell y'all the truth, that's for water. That's for backflow. Anyway, I took that flap off, and it seems to be heating up. And let's go this way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what we want. And I need that all cleaned out, which I did. And I'll put things back together. That's where I'll probably video, because I gotta do the foil tape and everything. All right, y'all bored yet? Wake up, it's Wicked Wednesday. Okay, everything's working good, but you know what? While I'm here, I've never had trouble on the other dryer that's next to it. I'm gonna cut this one right here. Let's see if I have the same little thing in there. You know what I mean? Okay, I'm using my Spyderco Delica 4 on foil tape against metal. I'm not even using the serration part, but it's my tool, people. You know, I hate it, but look at here. The same thing, people. I'm glad I did this. I'm going to stop the video and pull this apart, and then maybe I can come to a conclusion. Clean that up there. Clean all this up. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna clean this up. and go check the pool. I had to close the pool down because the guest last night messed up my pool. Okay, that's just the way it goes. Inconsiderate. Okay, back at my shop. See what damage I've done to this. Man, it's a good blade. Fantastic knife. I'm sure I'm going to have to sharpen it. Let's see. I went right point in. Yeah, I got to sharpen up a little bit. Not bad though. Not bad. There's the point. It's all there intact. All right. Hope that bored y'all pretty good. Y'all take care. Sog out.